Good evening. Today is 15th of Jan. I was just having my tea. So right now it's hot. So while having tea, I thought I record few things about what I saw, learned, understood from my phone, because whatever there comes in phone, the apps, and even while uploading this video, what apps are used. So I was just searching through yesterday because I was typing quotes, but even if for 4 seconds video, we need to have patience if there is no music. So I've seen that if there is no audio in the video, it is very less attractive. Nobody can hold your attention to it. Even the quotes words are very highly recommended, that we have to learn from the quotes, we understand from the quotes. And what I understood that day, I had brought in the quotes. But to add the music, I was searching for the app, and then there are limited resources in it. You have to subscribe so that you can download, or else you can add few audios which are already there in this. But it should be accepted. You should not get copyright issue. So finally, after so much of searching, I thought I should give up, because I don't have any choice. Why should I subscribe monthly, pay something for music to add in my quotes, in my thinking? Once if I have some money for such expenses, which we call extra expenses, for such extra expenses, I don't remember whether it's sundry expenses. So for our comfort, but for our requirement, and it should be presentable. Music add words, feelings to the quotes, the pictures which portrays. Even I feel that. But the words are highly important, and the feeling comes from inside whoever is reading. If there is sound, music behind the quotes, added to the quotes, and if you hear it, you may flow in the same way. You won't know what exact emotions are coming out. Your heart may be saying no, but after listening to the music and reading the quotes, you may end up, yeah, I'm very positive. But the quote meaning is something that you have to understand about you. Understand the feelings only by reading it. If we go few years back, people used to recommend to read novels. So novels has stories, guidances, uh, certain research, I can say, research, directions in the novels. So when we read the dialogues in the novel which has some stories and there is no sound because you're reading from the book, if you read from the book, how your mind start imagining that time. And if the story is a love story, then you fall inside and you start imagining, and that is how the story goes on. It's always a hit. These books, also the movies, are always hit. Hit is super hit, I mean to say, means people like it because they always want to fall in love in such a way which seems miracle, which takes out all the boundaries, no worries, all freeness, and so much understanding from the partner. Especially a girl getting so much from a boy. So, all such things in the novel which states the thinking of a girl, and the boy is so right for her that he understands her so much. So such stories are always super hit. Always you will see blockbuster where a boy cares so much for the girl. And why this story is so super hit? Because every girl wants this, but still there is something lacking behind. Why women still want something from her husband, that you don't understand me? But on the other side, the love stories are so hit that even boys like it, because the presentation is in such a way, in such a beautiful way, in such an imaginative way, that even when a villain enters, the boy can handle the situation, remove all the troubles from their lives, and save their future. And there the story, happy ending, but it says this is not the ending, this is the beginning. So just imagine why such, even if you can see what novel you are reading. Few people like to read about audio, sorry, not audiography, biography of people, of the famous personalities. I will say famous personalities, or a person holding such a very strong base story which attracted the writer to write about him. A single person, about a single person, and that you put into a novel. What did I say? Biography, sorry. I'm stuck with this audio word. I'm just coming to it, audio. I'm talking about the sequence, like, see how we are progressing. If you can analyze why people like things, if you analyze now in this year, in 2021, in the month of Jan, and the previous whole year, what we did was audio video files. We were totally into audio video files. In the video, whatever is there, the audio depicting the stories, behind. Totally we were on that. So we were seeing and we were listening. Totally we were into that, and that saved our life and kept us at home. So my sequence, what I have observed is, earlier from reading, that is, you can say your eye is a video as well, because in your vlog, which is not a video, but in your eyes there is a film going around. So you're sitting in your chair reading book, understanding in your real life film, which is your video with audio. In your original film, you are reading a book which has a video of a book, and your mind has the audio for it. So that is also audio video. If you can imagine a metaphor, this is called philosophy. If we are giving example for phone, then why we have this invention in our hand? Because this is what we are in a real world. So real versus real, this is what the trend today is. So now we are understanding, we were into a film already and we were our hero in our own film. And with this I got just one example, that in real life, however amount of, if you are not speaking to other person, but in real life the same person you're speaking with, showing you have highly friendship, you're having, you're eating, you're enjoying your holidaying. On the other hand, in the real life you're showing one is hero and one is villain, but in real life they are the best friend, having everything, eating ice cream together, enjoying the moment as hero in their own eyes. But what is behind and what is in the front camera? In the front camera, in the reel, many people can see them. But in the real world, the both best friends are how much best friends? They don't have any hatred, which only they have the feeling in their real film, in their real video. So there are two films, real film and real film. My voice and vocabulary drops, but मेरी भावनाओं को समझो. Real film. Speech may not be clear that much. Somewhere I get fallen in the clarity. I utter nonsense, wrong word, which is not grammatically correct, but I don't have any intention to speak wrong. My earlier word supported that my intention was to say it is film. So somewhere we can speak not intentionally, but few words which drops and immediately correct it. Don't correct, and if you can wait for the other people to correct it, that the pause need patience. Why the people with high accuracy in speaking has so much of accuracy of speaking in public, a fear. Why they have this accuracy so that nobody makes any stories about them, that they have not even learnt properly this subject, and they are saying they are stars. Then why you want to show that you know this language? Till your accent, vocabulary and grammar is not correct, people will always judge. But how much we can take the comments from those people who don't know our constraints, hurdles, because we are from the portion which is highly demanding. We have seen many stars, sports persons who didn't knew the language, official language, but in the race they learned, because they had to always hold the mic and speak in front of the many people. So there are people behind the camera always ready to say. See, there are millions of people who are watching you. They feel you are a star. Your work demand you should know this language. Until and unless now we saw that we have a great PM who can maturely carry our language. Who is the person? Who are those people? Where are those people? Now, if only we have learnt that we are in the position that we hold so strong, we can carry our language, but we learned from other countries, from Russia, from China, that they didn't let the language to be included in schooling. This is few years back. This is not a current affair I'm speaking about. I'm saying about the flow which I have learnt in my life. I understood. So the audio video is the basic part of all this. How much hold we have in audio. Even without, we don't have the video. Now I'll give you the example. If we have an image of the person, of the PM, and we're listening to him on the radio, the audio effect he holds, he has the effect, the bass you called. So when you hear on the radio, you're ready to accept him, the flow, with the flow he speaks and the duration he takes, and we watch till the end. People are listening on the radio, okay? I have seen in village, they seek attention, and it's very easy for them to get attention of other people from radio. I think the flow I'm showing is from that side. I will resurrect. I will just phrase it again. People of the village are innocent but not that innocent, but they always want to listen on the radio, and it's very easy to grasp their attention. That is what I wanted to mean in my earlier statement, but I think it was showing some wrong image that they are seeking attention. This is what, if the flow goes from here to there, it shows wrong and the intention shows wrong. But we can easily correct the statement that who is speaking on the radio is not the villager, they are the listeners. And then comes the spectators. So, listener and spectator, the difference in English. So, spectator who doesn't speak but only sees, like people watching sports in the, what do we call that ground? I'm still stuck with the word audio. Auditorium. Okay, that is also audio. Auditorium. I will relate with the word if I stuck and where, see the relativity, the physics. So the audio word is stuck in my mind, but I can show you there are many words with the same word. Auditorium. Okay, people sitting in auditorium can only see. So the person attending there are called spectators. Easy definitions you can get from dictionary. My video will be like more of involvement of codes in such a way that it sounds philosophical, it sounds metaphor. So I will have some certain words repeated. You will always think what is metaphor, what is metaphor. Metaphor is a grammar. How philosophical you can make a statement. So my improvement in my video is this way. So hope I may be a good writer, a good speaker who is having more metaphors. And there are other grammars also as well, simile, and I don't remember, I only remember metaphor, I remember simile, I remember homophones, even gone through, should have checked. I am clarifying because I am using the word metaphor. So how long my video I can use statement, how long I can use one word every time. She has a catchy phrase every time. बट तकिया कलाम इस्तेमाल करना हमारे लिए अच्छा है या हानिकारक है हमारे एक सर्टन इमेज के लिए, or to show ourselves how imaginative we are. Sometimes catchy phrase will help to self and to others to analyze कि अच्छा philosophical बातें हैं. But there may be some truth also, okay? Without metaphor, what will be the grammar behind it? We can understand. So there is a twist I use in the end, like how the novels and now I come to the audio files. Right from the beginning, when we were reading novels and imagining, books used to be selling like the word is missing. The word I have is hell, selling like hell, but I would like some other word. The sales are very high, but now we are having a new invention, that is audio files. where there is no video for the novel, but just simply audios with good great dialogues and feelings, emotions, everything, and you can easily understand the physics, the relativity. So now everything is science. My subject is about science only. Relativity, the chain, the flow, and why things get so popular easily, and that gets high demand suddenly. Like in today's and certain apps, they use the word as trending. What are the other words? Highly recommended, viral. They use the word viral. The news channel, they use the word viral videos. Then the video channel, they use the word as trending videos. This is the latest trend, latest knowledge, and how much grammar we cannot force in it. If they say TikToker with English with Hindi mixed, how much grammar you can enforce in it? The force is the viral, the trend. You cannot break it. People like as it is. Then where goes the grammar? Where goes the language? People like it. The trend is, now the video's trend is, the sentences are like from the film, very positive statements, and in the end they will tell the same person. There are many statements. अभी तो मुझे एक ही याद आ रहे हैं जोक, भगवान ठंड में बारिश, बारिश में ठंड, एक ही याद आ रहा है और दूसरा कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. दूसरा गाली है तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. तो भगवान बोलते इतनी तकलीफ है तो ऊपर बुला लूँ क्या. So that is a joke. Now on what should I say? I am getting stuck to the famous apps, because we know the names of these apps as the app itself. The names are their fame itself, that you cannot use any other word for it. Where is the grammar? YouTube देखा गया. Instagram, इंस्टा रील्स, मतलब टूथपेस्ट तो सब कोलगेट ही होते हैं, वो उसी फॉर्म में आ रहे हैं. आप याद रखिए. देयर इज सम, पहले हम लोग भले बोलते थे कि कुछ लोगों ने ये डेवलप किया है खुद के इजीनेस के लिए, but my mom, who cannot take all the names because she is not that highly qualified who can read English from the box of the toothpaste, everything written in English, and Hindi she has to read very slowly, but when they hear it they catch it. तो मुझे टूथपेस्ट नहीं, सॉरी, मुझे कोलगेट दीजिए, तो दुकान वाले कोलगेट ही देते हैं. अब जब से पतंजलि का आ गया है तो दे यूज द नेम ऑफ द बाबा. मतलब जो पतंजलि के शॉप में काम करते हैं ना, उनका नाम भी वही बाबा है, रामदेव बाबा. मैं बोली रामदेव बाबा तो एक ही है, इनका नाम नहीं है रामदेव बाबा. बोले हम लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. and I was laughing. सो दैट इज सो मच. लोग अपना ग्रामर भी भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन वही लोग दूसरी जगह बोलते हैं कि आप सही बात करो, सच्चाई बात करो. लेकिन सरल रहना और सच्चा बात करना और इजी वे में याद रख के बात करना इज टोटली डिफरेंट. आपने जिस इंसान को बताया वो नहीं है वो रामदेव बाबा, तो क्या आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं? नहीं, उनका रियल नेम मालूम ही नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मेरे भाई भी बोलते थे रामदेव काका बोलते हैं उनको. आई फील सो मच ऑफ लाफिंग. मैंने कहा तुम लोगों ने तो जैसे ये बना ही लिया, उनका नाम ही ये है. ये बात हम लोग देखिए, घर में तो जोक्स होते ही है ना, लेकिन हम कौन सा नाम कहाँ पे लाके रख दे और उसी को अज्यूम कर ले कि वही है. विथ नो बैड इंटेंशन, ओनली ईजीनेस to make things easy, and just few things are not that great. If I say a word, a respectful person name, and I give a tag to someone in his absence at my home for my comfort, and my people understand, and these few words don't go outside until and unless, like me, somebody speaking out, that I felt laughing, but it may be something serious, not joke. Are we lying to self? Is this allowed at home, in one room? What is the basic behind? I will tell you. The basic behind is, if you don't have any bad intention and the people around you. Okay, I was at my mom's place. Now I am some other person who is not under the same roof for many hours, or who is not staying with you in your family. So there you have to hold आधा सच. There you have to hold आधा सच. This is आधा सच. हम किसी को पदवी देते हैं हमारी बातों से, क्योंकि वर्ड मैंने पदवी कहा है. हम किसी को नाम देते हैं, ये बहुत बातूनी है. Then if you go to the slang side, then till it is positive, it's okay. And what is the point in speaking about? If it's positive, then it's okay na. Arey, but there is something behind it. Why we are speaking this? Why we are speaking the wrong way? Go and ask the person name. If you make it a habit and you start delivering the same tags outside in the public, it may affect the society, the atmosphere around you. It may harm your family in the long run. Now, only one example which I have given was an example. And I didn't knew that we are making a habit of something at home itself. We are calling people, ये तो BBC है, ये तो डेंगू है. Naming people. किसी को अच्छा नाम देना ठीक लगता है, मतलब I will say it's neutral. Or people, or someone who doesn't understand what to say, because same age we cannot name, we are women, नाम से भी नहीं बुला सकते. भैया बोलते ही हैं, घर में क्या बताना है, नाम, we need some certain name ना. So whom you are working for, which company you are working for, people know you by that name. Now I come to the name of Johnny Lever. Now you can easily have the relation, the relativity. This is nothing new I'm speaking about. I'm talking about something I know, I have researched, and now I'm speaking it. People keeping their own name or are forced to show for which company they are working from, so that they have a future. That is little different situation. A family giving a tag to other person, a person who is working under a branded company. So you get the brand name as a name itself, but you want to hold your first name. Now my story continues. Your first name and your last name is important so much. Your first name is your identity, is what you want to stand, show the world, but you can change your last name. That shows your hard work. You change your last name easily for the sake of the situation you had. So whatever formula comes into the last name, that column is the person will tell with the first name and the last name he holds. Okay, so this is a formula which I have learnt in Excel, mathematical formula, but this is real formula for real person also. The XYZ, whatever computer code understand, the binary codes computer understand, but what human understand? The situation. Okay, thank you, beta. What what the human understand? They understand the situation, and the situation which turned them to change their last name. Will they change their first name? So how much situation bad or worse would have been? The greater sign focusing on their side, and their side, that side is the situation who is worsening the effect for the person to completely change the name. Now I used maths because I never understood the greater and smaller sign. It always said the crocodile mouth, the mouth which faces the number. So that is the greater sign and this is a smaller sign. They always said this is the greater side, means towards the left is the greater side and towards the right is a smaller sign. That is what we had learnt. But later on I learnt this is not true. So whatever is on that side can make you smaller also. इतना बड़ा situation, इतने बड़े storms, that greater sign is not towards them. That greater side is on the human side. The greater sign is on the human side, is that we are not greater, they are greater. Means जो पूंछ होती है वो उनकी तरफ है और जो उनका बड़ा मुंह है वो हमारी तरफ है. Now if you understand, so that greater sign and the tail they hold it, and all the effect, the storm is on us, that we have to completely change our name. तो आप कंपेयर करने लगेंगे कि किसी ने अपना लास्ट नेम चेंज किया for so and so reason, the formula is this, the situation is this. But my first name and last name completely changed because the greater sign, the greater holder on the that side was greater than me, and it made me disbalance, my faith disbalance towards God, and I had to completely change the name. God is one, we all know. The same God will come and help you for the name's sake, because you have changed and he has seen so much of you have gone through. He accepts your name change. But condition is if you're happy with the name change. Otherwise the origin is better. The origin you had is better. You hold the origin you belong to, the name you should have. Because that is good for you, you were meant for it, you took a birth, then God will be happy because you won't have certain constraints that every now and then you are pushed into a situation because of names. This is the flow right from the audio video files. Now understanding the audio video. So where we will put this? The real film people are going through. What is the point over here? Even I will take a minute, because even I have to think why the flow is going in such a way which came to real world situation. The names, first name and the last name, and the situation which forced you to change it. Now the chain is the situation which makes you to change yourself. Still you're holding the same name. Then comes the situation. You change your name, you change your everything, the behavior, and you don't want to fall onto the same identity because people will know you have a bad past. That is also a situation which we know who comes under this. People who don't want to reveal their own identity now and want to stay in peace. There comes another people also who don't reveal their identity. Why? Because they have some ill effect, bad intention behind it. They change their name. This is called fake. The earlier whatever I said the situation was, they had hurdles and there was a scope of improvement for them. But now comes the bad people with bad intentions. See the situation. Same thing is happening. Same thing you can understand about the fake people. Person changing the last name to the identity of a famous company with so much of intelligence, with so much of qualification, changes his name as such that he is portrayed as a big officer in front of the public so that he can the money This is fake identity. He's showing to the people, the picture he's showing to the people. So again, this is a picture. So no matter how we have learned, no matter how many books we have read, no matter how many crime patrols we have seen, if we don't understand the pattern, the chain, learn the good pattern, any good story, flip it and understand. This can be converted into wrong, because there are many wrong people, fake people outside. The same situation they can create in favor of them. But by the time we understand, we have trusted them so much. They would have looted us so much. They would have damaged the society so much. And no more we could find them. Because we don't have anything other than the face he had. Can he change it? How much he can change? One day everybody will find him. But with the fake name and fake identity and the distance he covers, makes fewer chances of hope from my side that this fake person gets trapped by police, because he has done so much of loss, the damage behind it. You can understand by the attacks we had in India, the losses we had with so many our own police force. 26/11, I was just thinking about कितने मजबूर, there is no other English word I can put here. Constrained words feels very small. Message. कितने मजबूर थे हम और वो situation. They didn't had proper ammunitions for their own defense, protection. The bulletproof jacket they were wearing didn't help in saving lives, and not all had bulletproof jackets. This is an example, and very heartening that time when we heard and we were seeing live, and we didn't knew when live video can cause more harm. Then we understand the constraint. हमारी कितनी मजबूरी है, लेकिन ये मजबूरी क्या है, अच्छाई के लिए है. कितना कंस्ट्रेंट हमें लगाना है, कितना लिबर्टी देना है, कितना फ्रीडम कहाँ तक रहना चाहिए, कितना रेंज कहाँ तक देना चाहिए, क्योंकि बाहर बहुत सारे दुश्मन बैठे हैं विथ फेक. वी एज अ ह्यूमन वी थिंक वी आर अ गुड पीपल, वी हैव अ गुड स्टोरी बिकॉज वी हैव आवर ओन फैमिली वी आर गोइंग थ्रू. हम हमारे घर के कलेश में इतने फंसे हुए हैं, हम लोग बड़ा बड़ा बात नहीं सोचते हैं, तो हम दूसरों की बुराई, उनका काला सच, उनकी गहराई सोचेंगे भी नहीं, क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं कि अरे हम तो छोटे झगड़ों से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, तो हमें कोई बड़ा बड़ा बात बताएगा तो हम क्या समझेंगे, या हमें बड़ी बातें कितना इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगी कि इंडिया की जीडीपी लो है, क्या अच्छा लगेगा, घर का कलेश या इंडिया की जीडीपी. हम सोचेंगे दोनों तो ऐसी हाल है. घर में हम लोग नहीं कुछ कर पा रहे तो इंडिया का जीडीपी हम लोग कैसे हाई करेंगे. हाई इंक्रीज, हाई सोचते हिंदी में मुझे थोड़ा सा वो लग गया, हिंदी वाला हाई आ गया. So these are homophones which comes in the mind ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, हाई इज HI हाई, एंड हिंदी का हाई हा और य जिसके पीछे बद्दुआ होती है. अब इनका इन बातों से क्या मतलब है? मतलब है तभी सामने आया है. मेरे मुंह से निकला हुआ गलत शब्द का भी मतलब है. आई कैन ईजिली रिलेट एंड एक्सप्लेन वन डे कि मेरा एरर भी एरर नहीं है. अगर आप मेरे अभी दिए हुए शब्दों को ढाल लो तो घर गृहस्थी की हाई और इंडिया का GDP लो. इंडिया का हाई और घर गृहस्थी का लो. कोलाहल. सम रिलेशन इज देयर इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड. इतना बड़ा बात अगर मैं बोलने लगूंगी, अगर मैंने वो रिलेशंस क्लियर किए, so what metaphor people will understand, how much they will think this is true, what is directly proportional and indirectly proportional. Our expenses can be easily judged and put under a table and shown the people that Indian people have so much of expenses in the year 2019, and you can easily see on MOSPI, MOSPI, so they can easily understand. 32,000 करोड़, 35,000 करोड़, करोड़ ड crore. From English to Hindi translation. What is the emphasize? What is the emphasis? What are the emphases? What are the entities? Okay, I stop. So everything has been calculated because the money we have in our purse, at home, in bank, they can be calculated, and our expenses are been calculated, and Indian people, how much expenses they do, government knows it. So we should be assuring ourselves, the more amount we do expenses, that is how IT department learns. The amount we have in a bank, IT department learns. The cash in hand, okay, the black money which is in a house, they will learn. इसके लिए क्या कहना चाहिए? So the cash flow, from my left flow I came to the cash flow. The cash flow, whatever cash you have in your house, you think nobody knows? They will learn, and there is always a supreme who knows how much cash you have, the illegal money you have. Okay, so much of data is there. So how they can know where is the remaining cash with so much of expenses they can make out? Okay, 35,000 करोड़, 35 करोड़. Am I clear or what? Something like that only. ठीक है, पैसे का बात करते ही कुछ आगे पीछे हो जाते हैं. एक्सपेंसेस है इंडियन सिटीजन्स के, घरों के. तो कौन सा पैसा कितना माइनस दिस इज दिस, यू विल कम टू नो व्हाट इज द इलीगल मनी. मैथमेटिकल है उन लोग के पास, उन लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. तो कितना भी पैसा धन आप छुपा लो, सब मालूम हो जाता है. अब बात आया लैंड का. वॉट एवर इज बीन रजिस्टर्ड अंडर the land records. I want to have only one term so that everybody understand. So the land records can be calculated only the ownership change. So if you think you are the fake owner, it can be easily searched who are the fake owners, what is the address, everything, the data is maintained. Government is increasing so much. It's only that they are not getting involved till as such, and by law which is holding them, till they get some new amendments to their law. I tell you, they know how much extension is illegal, what is illegal, who are the real owners, who is the actual owner of the land in the world. Okay, who is the actual owner of whole Mumbai? Who is the actual land owner of Mumbai sub Mumbai? Actual land owner. So actual land belongs to someone, which you have to do paperwork, and then you buy a plot or you construct a building, but the actual owner is some Persian or what? Is a Persian. A Persian. Actual owner of the land in Mumbai is a Persian, as far as my knowledge knows. I was shocked. The land we have to first show in the paperwork that we are purchasing it, that actual person whose ownership is, he is not existing, I mean passed away. So then you show that you have purchased the land in your name, and then after purchasing you start your construction. So that is also some new knowledge I gained. With this I end my video, because this is very vast anyhow to speak about so many topics in one video. Till I get any queries or query session where everything can be, everything first compressed in one video is okay. I am not happy much, because I want to elaborate more on one topic. So like every time I say, my video is raw. So first I'll speak everything, whatever I understood, I learned today. Then one day I can speak and elaborate more about such topics. So I need some content for myself also, or people who can have some relativity from it and understand what is the basic behind this. I just want to say that your first name and last name holds a truth, a story behind it, that today you are sad. Whoever is holding some other last name, they are the saddest person. मतलब उनके ऊपर कोई बोझ है. They feel they have some weight. बोझ वर्ड करेक्ट है. उन्हें बोझ महसूस होता है. They are not that happy. They have some tragedy. ऐसे एक्सप्लेन करते करते एक रॉन्ग वर्ड आएगा ऐसे वक्त पे. आई हैव टू लर्न दिस. कब रॉन्ग में वर्ड कहने लगती हूँ. सो माई लिमिट इज गेटिंग ओवर. आई विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग स्टक. सो आई स्टॉप हियर दिस वीडियो. होप माई वीडियोज have stories soon to be released, coming soon. The videos and the spoken words has stories behind which will be coming soon, and I will elaborate more. With this, I end this video.